You free, you're not full, you can come here for drink continue. Help me, help Spider-Man. Help Spider-Man go free. No. Don't scream, no, to free, you need to drink from you. You're not yet for full. No. Don't move, go free. Yes, go free, go this bubble cream. Oh my god. Let's go. Spider-Man love you, go free. So go free, listen Spider-Man when Spider-Man talk with you. You free? You full or not? You free? Do you want to drink on you? Okay, I have a lot of milk, but we need to wait. If we drink all day, I take this bottle of milk for you. Yeah, see? Okay.